Welcome to Kicks and Beats, the channel. I am your host, Broadway J. Please hit subscribe, please hit like, and stay tuned.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? What's going on? It's your boy Broadway J, your host here at Kicks and Beats. If you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe, please hit like, because we got another early unboxing for you here today. You saw it here first, you already know. The Yeezy 700 V3 Kyanite. I'm a huge fan of the silhouette, which is why I had to get this pair. I got every colorway that released previously along with this one. Yes, sir. Let's go take a look at this one. It's about to release in a couple days, I believe. Actually, no, not even. It got pushed back to March. My bad. Yeah, guys, it got pushed back to March. No worries, guys, because I have an early look here for y'all today. Let's get into it. Shout out to Go for this one. I'm surprised you guys sent it out. I mean, can't front. I purchased this shoe about 4 times. It took 4 purchases to get one over here. If that other one ends up getting shipped out here, I'm sorry, but I gotta send that one back. Just gotta. It looks like that's a new trick, guys. When you can't get the shoe on time, order several pairs, and if extras come, return it. But anyways, this is it right here. Let's take a look at the details real quick. There you go. Alright. I'm excited for these, man. Real excited. Let's take the extra laces out. Well, actually, let's take a look at that real quick before we even get into the shoe. Okay, so the extra laces are black. Extra laces in black. Go verified as always. Gotta show the proof, man, because when I see these videos, sometimes people be posting up sneakers without showing the sources, and you know, it gets a little iffy. Like, is it even real or what? But anyways. Ooh, okay, ooh. Just to let you guys know, like the center of these stripes over here, this design, like this color right here, it's not blue at all. It's actually not blue. Let's take a look. This is real different. It's not what I expected at all. It's not what I expected at all, man. This color in the middle, I feel like it's feels a little green up in here. Yeah, it's not turquoise, it's not green. It's one of those special colors they came up with, Yeezy brand. It's definitely in the realm of green though. Has to be. There's definitely green in the mix here. It's like a bluish, like a blue green, like a bluish green type of color. And then of course you got blues over here on the edges of the stripes, so you got some sort of green going on here with some sort of blue. I'm not gonna spend the entire day trying to figure out the color, but yeah. And it looks like this might be a permanent thing over here. Look at the string they're using. They keep using this. I believe we started seeing this at first with the Yeezy 350 bread during that restock that took place back in December. Yeah. What's up with the bottom? Okay, so the bottom, you got that same color going on, I guess. The same color that he ended up throwing over here. It's that greenish blue hue that I just spoke of. For those who don't know about the silhouette, it does not feature boosts, but do not worry, guys. I can reassure you, it is comfortable. It's a comfortable shoe. You just gotta get the right size. I recommend going half a size up if you want a snug fit. If you want the perfect fit where it's not really loose, but it's not snug neither, go an entire size up like I did. This is a size 11.5. My truest size is 10.5. I had to take the 11.5. I took a couple 700 V3s in size 11, and although it's snug and it feels okay, it's not my cup of tea. So full size up, guys. Let's take a look at the tag real quick over here. Pause where you need to pause, replay wherever you need to replay. There you go. Yes sir, yes sir. Let's take a look at the inside too. For those, you know, brand new to this silhouette, just discovering it, these shoes glow in the dark too. Real dope. Every colorway glows in the dark currently, as of now. This is the bottom, black and white. This toe cap over here, it's pretty much like the Azrael and, you know, the other previous releases where they have that light gray in the front. It's basically the same. Yeah, it's dope. I like this shoe. I still think the Azuriths are a lot better than these, but if you didn't get to pick up a pair of Azuriths, you wouldn't be complaining if you're able to pick up this pair right here. I can tell you that much. But Anyways, I think it's time to see these bad boys on feet, right? I think it is. Let's get to it.
Psych. I think there's something you guys should know before you actually see that on feet. Let's get to it.
Kyanite is a typically blue aluminosilicate mineral found in aluminum-rich metamorphic pegmatites and or sedimentary rock. Kyanite in metamorphic rocks generally indicates pressures higher than 4 kilobars. It is commonly found in quartz. Although potentially stable at low pressure and low temperature, the activity of water is usually high enough under such conditions that it is replaced by hydrous aluminosilicates such as muscovite, pyrophyllite, or kaolinite. Kyanite is also known as bismuth, radicite, and cyanite.
Pretty interesting, huh, guys? Alright guys, so here's a quick comparison. This is the azurite right here. Different blues. And while this contains green in it, this one doesn't. I mean, it kind of does. Because this area right here you could say is like a, kind of like an olive green. You know? But they're still very different, as you can see. The midsoles are different in color. You know, this one right here is more of like, it's more of like a white midsole. Yeah, this right here, not really. I'm trying to think what I could call it. Maybe more towards bone. More like a bone. Yeah, this is more like a bone midsole. This is more like white. And you got the other ones over here. We currently have 6 colorways that released. Of course, this being the OG right here. So what do you guys think about this one right here? Cop a drop. Let me know below in the comments section. This is the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. We got a giveaway coming up because we do giveaways on the 1st of every month at this point, so stay tuned.